Hello students, welcome to English class. Now, before I show you today's clock, let me show my classroom rule. As you know, this rule is always there in my class and it is speak in English. Okay, students, don't forget this rule. It's very important. Now, today's clock. What we are going to do today, let me show. First, I'm going to play a fun activity with you. Okay, so as you know that this is an activity and you have to do this in a rough paper or in RMB anywhere. So you can pause the video and get the notebook or paper and pencil ready with you. Next will be from the book writing. We are going to do second chapter. So you get the writing book ready with you again. Next will be from the book seasons. We are going to do one exercise from page 29. So get your seasons book also ready. And then the last will be the assignment and the summary. So now students, I hope you are ready with your paper or RMB and pencil. So let's play the fun activity. Now what you are going to do is, I am going to ask you a riddle. And for that you have to write the answer. Don't cheat. If you want to enjoy, be very faithful to yourself. Okay. Now I am going to ask a riddle and you have to write the answers. Later I will share the answers with you. Now first, listen to me very carefully. First, which letter of the alphabet sounds like a hot drink? Now from A to Z, you have to think which is that letter which sounds like a hot drink. So write your answers. I will tell to you later. It's an alphabet. So think about A to Z, which is that alphabet. Next, which letter of the alphabet is a large water body? From A to Z, which is that letter which is a large water body? Third, which letter of the alphabet makes honey? Now from A to Z, which is that letter which makes honey? So write that letter. And the last, which letter of the alphabet you find on your face? On your face, from A to Z, which is the letter which you find on your face? That is 4. I hope you got the answers. If still you didn't get, trigger your mind. You can go back to the video, see what questions I have asked and try to search which is that letter. Now once you are done, let us see. First I asked you was, which letter of the alphabet sounds like a hot drink? Now which is that letter? It is letter T. Now T is a letter and T-E-A is a word. Homophones, okay? So T, it's T, hot drink. So letter T. Next, which letter of the alphabet is a large water body? And it's C. Letter is C and it's S-E-A-C. So which letter? C. Next I asked you, which letter of the alphabet makes honey? From A to Z, which is that letter? It's letter B. B-double-E-B and letter is B. All these are homophones, okay? What are homophones? I hope you remember, which sound same but spellings are different. And the last, which letter of the alphabet do you find on your face? Which is that letter? It's letter I. I is a letter and the word E-Y-E-I. So this was a fun activity which we have done before we start with the writing book. Now students, let us go to the next part, book writing. Come to the first chapter. It is first chapter. Yes. Now, chapter name is words. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. And definitely you must be knowing them. So, when we combine all these words, from letters we make words. When we combine all these words, it will form a sentence. Now, this A will be your homework. I'll explain you. Make a list for each of the following. At the end of the video again I'll tell you, this is A, it's your homework. People at my homes. Now write the names of the people who are at your home. For example, mother, father, grandfather, sister, brother. Next is places I want to visit. Which places do you want to visit? You can write what's your wishes. For example, Taj Mahal or Qutub Minar, whatever you wish. You can write any number, not compulsory to fill all these. You can write 1, you can write 2, you can write 5, as you wish. Next will be things in my school bags. What are there in your school bags? books, stationery pouch, tiffin box, water bottle, all these things. Next, animals I want as pets. So it can be dog, it can be rabbit, or any whatever you want to write. So this will be your homework. I'll be telling you later. Now B1. Write the names of the things you see. First letter are given as hint. Now here what you have to do, you have to write a word. This whole chapter is just based on words. You have to write a word. A pair of glasses. Why? Can you see? Pair of glasses. So G-L-A-S-S-E-S, glasses. Next, a jigsaw of puzzle. P-U-Z-Z-L-A. This is puzzle. So a jigsaw of puzzle. Next, a set of drawers. There are many drawers. So D-R-A-W-E-R-S, drawers. Like this, these are the words. As you know, this is a chapter based on words. So these are words you can write with the correct spelling. Next, an untidy, it's written only bed. So it's bedroom. It's a bedroom. Untidy means it's messed up, not clean. Next, a packed, can you see sandwich? So it's a lunch box. L-U-N-C-H, lunch. B-O-X, lunch box. A dash of flower, well, lots of flowers. So it's a collective noun, bouquet. B-O-U-Q-U-E-T, bouquet of flowers. Pronunciation is bouquet. B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. Next, it's a bar of chocolate. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, chocolate. We can see the answers. But you just see the pictures and write the answers, words. All these are words. Suppose LU is given, so NCH, lunch box. Let us go to the next exercise. As I said, this chapter is just dependent on words. So next, C1. Write one word for each of the following. Now questions are given to you. Now whatever word comes in your mind, you have to write the answer. It's not compulsory to write my words. You can write your own words, whatever comes in your mind. Now first question. Your favorite color from the rainbow. Now rainbow has how many colors? I hope you know. 7 colors. So from 7 colors, whatever color comes in your mind. Orange, red, blue. So write the word any. I wrote here orange. Next, the number of pencils in your case. Now case means it's a pouch, stationery pouch. So number of pencils 1, 2, 3. How many? You can write any one. Next, how do you feel in summers? It's hot. So H-O-T, hot. How you feel every morning? After the sleep, how you will feel? Fresh. F-R-E-S-H, fresh. Next, what ice cream tastes like? It tastes like, you can write yum, you can write sweet, S-W-E-E-T, sweet, or Y-U-M, yum, or whatever you feel. Next, what vegetable tastes like? It tastes like bitter, or you can write any word, whatever come in your mind. You can again write tasty, yum. Next, what trees look like? They look like beautiful. So all these again are words. Whatever words come in your mind, just write this. It's not compulsory to write these answers only. These are the answers. But students, I repeat, try to use your own brain and write your words, whatever comes in your mind. Let us go to the next exercise. D1. Now D is your homework again, which I will be telling you at the end of the video. A and D are your homework. What is the question? Read the 10 actions words given in the box. What are the action words? Action, these are verbs. Support, doubt, connect, search, listen, agree, invent, notice, describe and present. All these are verbs. Find them in the grid. Grid means this is called grid. This is called grid. All the letters are written here like this. First one is done for you. First is support. You have found the support here. S-U-P-P-O-R-T, support. In the same way, you have to find the remaining 9. It's easy to do. Search it out. See, for example, I can see a notice. N-O-T-I-C-E, notice. D-O-U-B-T, doubt. So circle it. It can be horizontal, I repeat, it can be horizontal, it can be vertical, it can be cross. Okay, search it out. E1. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box above. Now you know 10 letters are there above. So from those we have to fill in the blanks. First, understand and then only you will get the correct answer. Whatever is the sentence first, please student, you should understand what does the sentence mean. First, I have solved the math problem, but I doubt that it is correct. So you have to first understand what the sentence says, then only you can pick the words from the box. It's doubt, D-O-U-B-T, doubt. Next, my parents support my dreams of becoming an artist when I grow up. So who is going to support you? Parents. So my parents support. Spellings, write the correct spellings from the box. Let us connect the dots to complete the picture. When there is any picture given like this. So what they are saying, let us connect the dots, like connecting. Okay. Next, listen to this song carefully. It has a beautiful rhythm. So listen. Do you agree? Sorry. You are right. I agree with you. If you search for this word in the dictionary, you will learn its meaning. So search to find out. Next, I wish I could invent a new type of car with wings. I would never be late for the school. So invent means you wish that I would have created my own car. Okay. Next, did you notice how Samir kept checking his watch during the class? Did you notice means did you see? Next, I am working on a report which I have to present. Present means which I have to give in my English class. My friend went to Kashmir during the holidays. You should hear him describe the place. Describe means how the Kashmir looks like. So, describe. I hope you got the answers. You can again see. These are the answers. For even, all these words I have taken from here, from this box. Write the correct spelling. Next, F1, and this is last from this book. Okay. Look at the pictures. Write a sentence for each picture. You can use the words given. Remember, a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or question mark. Depends what type of sentence you are making. But always remember students, the first letter of the sentence will be capital and ends with a full stop, question marks, exclamation marks, whatever your sentence is. Now see, the words are given to you. A or an, you can use any of them. Next is grateful, talented, and the next is dancer. Now from these words you are going to make a sentence. What sentence I made? She is a talented dancer. Simple I am using, and first try to use any pronouns. He, she, and this is a girl. So I wrote she, and then is. And then a, write the article, a talented dancer. And then as you can see how I have done. S is capital, and also remember that after this it will end with a full stop. Next. Again you can see a boy. So you can write he is. Now why a? Because I have chosen happy, her. Her is a consonant sound. I hope you remember the articles, but still we'll be doing in the coming videos. If I have chosen happy, so I will write he is a happy boy. And if I am choosing active, so I will write he is an active boy. Why an? Because active, it's a vowel sound. So an active. Now here what I have written is he is a happy boy. Or you can write he is a happy child. Whatever you wish. Again see here. Now students, please note, from these we are just choosing one. Okay, one options we are choosing. So what I wrote, he is a happy boy. Because happy I have chosen, so I wrote here a. If I have chosen active, I would have written an. All these are very important while writing a sentence, while speaking a sentence. Next, your pronoun I have chosen I. I am eating a healthy meal. Full stop. You can also write I am eating a healthy lunch. Pronoun, whatever you are choosing, first letter will be capital, remember, and it ends with a full stop. Next, this is a strong giant. You can write this is a strong giant. You can write he is a strong giant, or you can write this is a hungry giant. Options are given to you. Choose anyone and frame a sentence. Next, these are two happy pets, or you can write these are two friendly pets, or you can write these are two friendly animals. Okay. Next, this is a huge cake, or you can also choose it is a huge cake. And the last, I have a small camera, or she have a small camera, or they have a digital device. Okay, you can see these answers. I repeat, options are given to you. You are going to choose any one from these and add pronouns, helping verbs, and then make a sentence. It starts with the capital, ends with the full stop. Starts with the capital, ends with the full stop. Please remember all these. Now what we are doing, that's why this chapter is called words. From these words, we are framing a sentence. And it's also important that you understand the meaning of words and then frame a sentence. It's very important. If you don't know, we will also see how to search from the dictionary and find out the meaning. And the last is seasons. Take out your seasons book, everybody. From page 29. I will show you again. Page 29. You can write here today's date. Write here today's date. Now, what you will understand is that placing the words at the proper place, it's very important to understand the sentence and make the correct sentence. Now, as you know, from the letters we make a words. From the words we make a sentence. Now, if your words are not placed properly, will it have a meaningful sentence? No. Now see. Have I hero a cycle? Now, did you understood what I am saying? No. But if I say, I have a hero cycle. Did you understood? Definitely, because I have placed the words at the proper place. Now see. This is because words are not placed in a proper orders. If I say, have I hero a cycle, you will not understand. To understand sentences, we have to place words in a proper order. We must also start with every sentence with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. It can be full stop, it can be question mark, it can be exclamation mark. But it's very important to follow this rule. Start with the capital letter, end with the punctuation mark. Now, second exercise we are going to do. Place the words in the proper order so they make a complete sentence and also a meaningful sentence. Remember, to begin the sentence with a capital letter and ends with the appropriate punctuation mark. They are saying again and again this. Why? Because it is very important. Now see first sentence. Keep hero, I my clean very. Did you understood? No. But what you are going to do, you are going to look the words, understand the meaning and think what can be the correct sentence. I repeat, keep hero, I my clean very. That means I keep my cycle very clean. So how you will write a sentence? I keep my hero cycle very clean. This is a sentence. So see, I, where I is written right there first. I, where keep is written right there second. I keep my, where my is written right third. Hero. Hero, it's a brand of the cycle. I keep my hero very clean. Very, fifth, clean will be sixth. Now say a sentence. I keep my hero very clean. Now did you understand? That means I keep my cycle very clean. Next, takes everywhere hero me. But did you understood? That means cycle takes me everywhere. So what will be the correct sentence? Hero takes me everywhere. So where hero is written, right above that first. Takes is written, right there second. Me is written, right there third. And everywhere is written, right there fourth. So what will be the sentence? Hero takes me everywhere. Next. Good hero writer, the and friends were. So what will be the answer? The will be the first sentence. Writer will be the next word. And will be the next word. I repeat. The writer and. After that, hero will be the fourth word. Were will be the fifth word. Good will be the sixth word. And friends will be the last word, that is seventh. I will show you the answers again, students. Next, fell cycle on road the. So how you are going to write? The will be the first, cycle will be the second, fell will be the third, on will be the fourth, the fifth, road sixth. That means the cycle fell on the road. And the last, old went slowly the cycle smoothly and. So what will be the answer? The will be first, second will be old, third will be cycle, fourth will be went, fifth will be slowly, sixth will be and, seventh will be smoothly. So what is the answer? The old cycle went slowly and smoothly. Here are your answers. Write, see very nicely, pause the video. I hope this is clear to you. In this way you are going to do in your book only. No need to write these sentences again. But always remember, whatever first I am choosing will be, the first letter of that word will be capital. I repeat, letter. First letter of that word will be capital, and whatever is the last word, after that there will be a full stop. Just remember this. In this way, we are going to make a proper sentence. Placing the words at the proper order is very important. Here we end our today's class. Now let me show your homework first. What is your homework? Page 5th, question A. I am going to write here also. Page 5th, question A. And page 8th, question D. Page 8, question D. I have written here, these two are your homeworks. Now students, for the time limit to complete this, you should not take more than 5 minutes. What you are going to do? When you are going to send me this assignment, you should also write how much time is taken by you. You took 5 minutes or more than 5 minutes, write that. In the same way, to complete this assignment also, you should not take more than 5 minutes. And you have to say how much time have been taken by you to complete this assignment. Write this. Now students, it's very important to give this message to you that you have to submit your assignments on the Google Classroom only. Try using that. In my next video, I will also show you how to use Google Classroom, how to send the assignments. But try it, and if you are not succeeding in that, then you can email me or you can call me, ma'am, how to do that. But in my next video, I will show you how to send the assignments on the Google Classroom. So complete your assignments on time, and this is what is the summary. First we have done the fun activity, then we have done the chapter first from the grammar, from the writing book, that is the chapter name is word And then same topic word we have done from the book Seasons also, page 29, and I gave you today's assignment. So this from here we end. At this point we end our class. So submit your assignments and do call me if you have any queries, and do send me on Google Classroom only. Thank you.